Coming up in this episode, it rains a lot, I eat some oysters, we drink beer and visit some places. But first, this.
Morning! Welcome back to the channel. So today we're on our way to Norwich. We're going on a city sightseeing tour for a couple of days. We've got an Airbnb booked this evening. Our train leaves 20 past 9. It takes just an hour to get from Colchester to Norwich, which is much faster than driving it. So we're going to go and see some of the sights, go and visit some of the pubs, might even get a cheeky pint at Brewdog, and yeah, come along with the tour. I'm probably going to split this video over 2 days depending on how much there is to film. I'm expecting there's going to be quite a lot, so come along, let's go. And bang on time. Well, this train is really busy.
They're good, these updated trains, aren't they? USB socket and a plug socket. Useful.
Now, we knew the weather forecast for Norwich wasn't going to be good today, but the closer we're getting, the greyer it's getting. And now it's starting to rain. They are nice, these new trains, and free Wi-Fi. Not very fast though. I'll put a video on the screen now for you to see, but it's free. So we've arrived in Norwich. We don't really have a plan yet, other than I need a jumper because it's freezing and my wife needs some trainers, and it's raining. So we're going to sightsee all the places indoors today, so that hopefully tomorrow we can go outside and do the outside things. That's the plan anyway. We'll see how it goes. So we've had a look at the map. The closest thing first is Norwich Cathedral, which is, I think that spire just over there. So that's where we're going to head to first. I did notice as well when I was looking on the map, there's quite a few public houses around here. And you never know, we might just happen to fall into one. Not yet though. I mean, I think this would look beautiful if the sun was shining. It's lovely, don't get me wrong, but a bit of sunshine would have been nicer. But hey-ho, that's British weather for you. Lovely place to live. So we're entering the cathedral, apparently through the dark entrance. Look at that. Stunning. Was just saying, this reminds her of Hogwarts. Geek.
Norwich Cathedral was opened in 1145. At 96 metres tall, it boasts one of the largest cathedral spires in the United Kingdom. Designed by architect John de Ramsey, its architectural style includes Norman and English Gothic. Admission to the cathedral is free of charge, but they do ask that you make a donation, which you can do by card as you enter through the main doors.
This cathedral really is something else. It's beautiful.
Dedicated to the Holy Trinity of the Father, Son and Holy Spirit, the stained glass windows designed by British abstract expressionist artist John McLean were installed in 2014. The Trinity windows cast a wonderful kaleidoscope of colour on the cathedral's Norman stone and create a sublime spectacle of light in the north aisle that is truly unique.
Just look at the detail in that carving. Absolutely unbelievable. Just the detail in all the carving and the stonework is just unbelievable, isn't it? You know, we're so lucky in the UK with how much history we have, and there's just one prime example. What a stunning building that is. The attention to detail, the stonework, the woodwork, it just went on and on. The windows, really beautiful, peaceful place to go. And yeah, I highly recommend it. Go for a walk. Didn't cost anything to get in either, although we did donate. But the rain is absolutely teeming down now. We're on our way to Norwich Castle. Hopefully it's got some cover, because this weather is not good for vlogging. It's been really hard to film so far because of the rain. We're now coming up to Norwich Castle, which apparently is undergoing £13.5 million worth of renovation work through National Lottery funded money. I'll try and get some views for you. Here we go. I think we finally found the entrance. Okay, so unfortunately the castle, keep, dungeon, etc. is all closed for restoration. So unfortunately we can't go around there today. So that was a bit of a waste of time. And we got soaking wet, but hey, there's some lovely views from up here, so onwards and upwards. I think we'll go and find the shopping centre next and get the drowned rat some new trainers. All the way around, try and get out, and realise we've gone the wrong way, so we're going to have to walk back again to get out. But I'm getting hungry, and it looks like there's a lot of places down there to go and get some food and drinks. I think next on the agenda, trainers, and there's something to eat. So it looks like it's market day, I'm guessing. I wonder if I can find some fresh fish for lunch around here. Let's have a look. It was meant to be. I found it. Really good, really sweet. Here's a thumbs up for City Fish. What an amazing fish store. They had so much available there. Fresh, wet fish, shellfish. The oysters, Norwich oysters, were absolutely amazing. So nice and sweet. And the crab, fantastic. So City Fish, if you like your seafood, recommend you come here and have a look around. Really great little store. Top guys as well. Right, so that was a nice spot of lunch. And we've still got an hour to kill before we can get into our Airbnb. We understand there might be a Brewdog round the corner, so we're going to go and have a pint while we wait to check in. There we are, Brewdog. Not surprising to see nobody sitting outside today. So I've gone for the Hop Frenzy. It's an IPA, 5.8%, so a little bit on the stronger side. Probably shouldn't have too many of these before we check into our Airbnb. We might not be allowed in. Okay, so we've checked into our Airbnb and the first pub around the corner is the Weaver's Arms. We've come here for our first pint since checking in. Check-in was an experience. Lovely guy. Didn't realise we were going to be sharing his house with him, but hey ho, should have read the description better. So let's go inside the Weaver's Arms and have a look. And I've gone for a pint of Duration Saddle, and it's yeah, it's pretty decent to be fair. Quite like it.
I have to say it's very dark in here. I don't really know why.
So this is part of Norwich's canal network, and I don't really understand why it isn't used more by canal boats. I mean, if you go from London up north to the Midlands, they have a massive canal network with loads of canal boats on, and people live aboard them. It's somewhere else people could actually live. It just seems like a real shame. It seems a bit wasted to me. So there's a pub here, the Rumsey Wells, which we were going to try until we saw Adnams, and then we were like, boo, Adnams, overrated, take over too many pubs, not worth it, no thank you. Another church. There are loads of churches in Norwich. St Andrews Brew House. It looks absolutely rammed, but we're going to try it because why not? St Andrews Festival House. Really buzzing in here. Seems to be the place that a lot of people want to go. It's video. So why are you here? What are you doing? It's a hen do. Oh, okay, cool.
This is one of many.
So you're getting married?
This one.
You're getting married? When are you getting married? August 17th. And where are you getting married? Cool. Good to wave.
And then she's 21. 21.
How long have you got left? How many hours you got left?
We're done.
You're done? Alright, cool.
We love you.
Enjoy your hangovers tomorrow.
Take care.
See you later.